This dance is called Whistle While You Work It. Here's a 64 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting with the right foot. Bounce the right heel 3 times. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Kick the right forward into a weave, behind, side, cross. Add on, there's no and counts in this dance whatsoever. Add on a quarter Monterey turn, left foot leading. So we point, turn quarter left, point, close. Point the left to the side into a jazz box, quarter turn with a step. Cross, back, quarter turn left, step forward. So those sections once more then. Bounce off on the right. 7, 8. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Kick, behind, side, cross. Monterey quarter turn. Point, jazz, box, quarter step. Twist the heels to the right, back to centre, to the right, back to centre. Go back on 2 toe struts, right foot leading, back strut, back strut. Add that to the top. Bounces off on the right. 7, 8, bounce, 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 kick, behind, side, cross. Point, turn, point, close, point, cross, back, turn, step. Twist, 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 back strut, back strut. Into a coaster step, right foot leading. Hitch the left, step forward on the left, step the right to the side, twist heels right, and back to centre. Add that to the top. That's our halfway point when we get there. So bounce off on the right. 7, 8. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Kick, behind, side, cross. Point, turn, point, close, point, cross, back, turn, step. Twist, 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 twist. Back strut, coaster, step, hitch, step, side, twist, twist. Step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. Turn half a turn to the left as you step the left forward, touch the right beside the left. Step the right forward, touch the left beside the right, turn a quarter left as you step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Now when you do these touch steps, you can also click, if you can. 1 or 2 hands, don't matter. So, off on that right foot, that last section once more. 7, 8, step, touch, turn, touch, step, touch, turn, touch. No click on the last one. Now that is 3/4 of a turn that you're doing there. If you want to try and take that out, what you can actually do, step forward on the right, touch the left with your click. Don't turn, step back on the left, touch the right. Step back on the right, touch the left, then make a quarter turn to the right. As you step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. So it's some non-turning steps, should you wish to take them. Nice easy section to follow. Couple of step, lock, steps. Right foot leading, step, lock, step. Then the left, step, lock, step. Step forward on the right, pivot a half turn to the left. So a nice easy section. Just do that once more. 2 step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot. add that to our halfway point. Step, touch, turn, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, turn, touch, step, touch, turn, touch, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot. You're going to step your right slightly forward as you bump your hips right, left, left. Make sure the weight is on your right foot. Go forward on a step, lock, step with the left, scuff the right. So that section once more then, hip bumps, off on the right. 7, 8, but forward, back, step, lock, step, scuff. Add that to our halfway point, it's just one little bit left to go. Step, touch, turn, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, turn, touch, step, touch, turn, touch, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, forward, back, step, lock, step, scuff. So you're now going into a modified V-step, only because you go on your heels. If you can't go on your heels, just do a normal V-step. Otherwise, step diagonally forward on the right on the heel, diagonally forward on the left on the heel, back on the right, feet together. Slap your thighs twice, clap your hands, flick your right foot back and slap it with the left hand if you can. So that little section once more then, off on that V-step, right foot leading. 7, 8, out, in, slap, slap, clap, flick. Okay, so you slap both thighs. I've only got one hand free. So let's add that to our halfway point. Step, touch, turn, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, turn, touch, step, touch, turn, touch, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, forward, back, step, lock, step, scuff, out, in, slap, slap, clap, flick. So that's our two halves. Let's add them together. Like I say, there are no hand counts in this dance at all. Bounce off on the right. 7, 8, bounce, kick behind, side, cross, point, turn, point, close, point, cross, back, turn, step, twist, back, strut, coaster, step, hitch, step, side, twist, step, touch, turn, touch, step, touch, turn, touch, step, lock, step, lock, step, pivot, forward, back, step, lock, step, scuff, out, in, slap, slap, clap, flick. So hopefully you got that. So the music is a little bit faster, but it is also a full wall dance. So let's have a go at the other three walls. Bounce off on the right. 7, 8, bounce, kick behind, side, cross, point, turn, point, close, point, cross, back, turn, step, twist, back, strut, coaster, step, hitch, step, side, twist, step, touch, turn, touch, step, touch, turn, touch, step, lock, step, lock, step, pivot, bump, forward, back, step, lock, step, scuff, out, in, slap, clap, flick, bounce, kick behind, side, cross, Monterey turn, point and jazz, twist, back, strut, coaster, step, hitch, step, side, twist, step, touch, turn, touch, step, touch, turn, touch, step, lock, step, lock, step, pivot, bump, forward, back, point, just quarter turn, twist, 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 back strut, coaster, step, hitch, step, side, twist, twist, step, touch, turn, touch, step, touch, step, clock, step, clock, step, peel it forward, back, step, clock, step, scruff, out, in, slap, clap, flick. So that's your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, six, seven, eight. Bounce, keep your hands side cross, point the jazz box, twist, back step, twist, step, side, twist, step, touch, turn, step, rock, step, pull back, step, out, come on, ready?
That's why you gotta never let them see you down, oh, oh. Hey, gotta smile while you're hurting, and whistle while you're working, and whistle while you're working. Gotta smile while you're hurting, just whistle while you're working. Brush it off, I will never let this shit weigh me down, weigh me down. If you blow my high, you won't see me cry. Gotta whistle while you're working. That's why you gotta never let them see you down, oh, oh. Yeah. Gotta smile while you're hurting, and whistle while you're working. Fear of your darker side, regret, revenge will eat you up inside. Now no, get up, work that dignity, let it bounce, let it fly, and make them history, oh, oh. If you blow my high, you won't see me cry. Gotta whistle while you're working. That's why you gotta never let them see you down, oh, oh. Yeah. Gotta smile while you're hurting, and whistle while you're working, and whistle while you're working. Gotta smile while you're hurting, just whistle while you're working.
Hope you managed that one.